if we want to create months in a year, so we want the cells to go 1 to 12 like that, and then restart, and we don't want to manually have to copy and paste. First thing we can do is put a 1 in here. I'll go to that cell and say equals that cell plus 1. So we can copy that across up to there. Now for this one here, we can't refer to here. We can build an if function if we wanted to say if you're 12, start at 1 again. But another clever way to do it is I'm going to click here and say equals, and I'm going to actually equals all the way back here. So when I copy it across, what's happening is it goes back exactly 12 months and puts whatever is there. And in fact, if I want, I can go to the very end of the spreadsheet and it'll just repeat the pattern again and again and again.